Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am expecting 3 paychecks in the month of November, and today we are cash stuffing the first check of November. Stuffing my first paycheck of this month. I like to start off by double checking that I have the correct amount of cash. $549 so far. $949. I'm just gonna have to check again. 45%. Okay, so that is $949 plus 50, 60, 100. Plus 100 plus 100. I do want to share with you why I decided to join the cash stuffing journey. Just a little bit of background about me. I am a full-time working mom. I have a toddler and a baby. My husband also works full-time, so we are a dual household income. I have always been a long-time debit card user, but since we do have a family, it does come with more expenses and more bills. And this lady right here loves to go shopping, from eating out, TJ Maxx. So I just want to do a better job at controlling my habits. On top of that, we are on a 100K savings challenge, which I do want to start incorporating into my cash stuffing envelopes. But then for now, I just want to focus and share with you how we are cash stuffing our weekly spendings. Okay, so groceries is going to be my biggest budget for this weekend because we do have an upcoming family event that I have to shop for, plus get groceries for my little family. Okay, so for my little family, it's gonna be $200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I give props to people who can multitask, doing the action activity and talking to the camera. So that's what I'm struggling with right now. Stuff $630 for my big family event. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Should be 600. You know what? Why am I making this so hard? Let me just use. Okay, I'm gonna put some 20s back and pull out my 50s. Okay, so $630. Here we go. 100, 200, 300. 400, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 600. And $30. Just gonna double check here. 1, 2. Oh, let's see if this fits. Okay, so that is 630 plus 630 plus 200, $830 towards my grocery envelope. I'm going to come back to TJ Maxx. Right now, I want to prioritize cash stuffing my biggest expenses for this week. Okay, $100 for eating out. Okay, vacation. I'm going to leave this blank because we have no plans to take on vacations this year. I'm going to put gas in my I want to thank me envelope. Hey, y'all, the way I do my cash stuffing envelopes, I do not like to have a lot of envelopes, and I'm not too strict on myself. I like to roll over my money in between. I like to roll over my cashes in between my envelopes, so I'm just gonna stuff this in here. And I do have my cash stuffing list here with me, so if I forget how much I'm gonna spend for gas or groceries, I just go back to my little cheat sheet, and that kind of helps me to stay in budget as well. Next, I'm gonna check how much cash I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, $170. What am I gonna do with all this extra money? No, I'm just playing, but okay, so $170 is going to be my cushion money just in case a small emergency comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 170. I do have a miscellaneous envelope, and I'm using this to collect my receipts throughout the end of the month. Okay, so my next available envelope for cash stuffing is the vacation envelope. But like I said, we don't have any plans to go on vacations this year just because there's so many events that had already happened or will be happening for the remaining Q4 of 2024. So I'm just gonna treat my vacation envelope as my emergency envelope. So I'm just gonna put the rest of my $170 in this envelope. That is a wrap for today's cash stuffing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I am a working mom who is all about that bougie on a budget lifestyle. And my husband and I, we are on a 100K savings challenge. So if you have similar interests and aspirations, I hope you can join my YouTube family. I'll see you next time.